Hello, friends! Today, we're going to learn numbers in a fun and easy way using our fingers. We'll start counting from 1 to 10 and learn each number step by step with our hands. Ready? Let's start counting together and have fun learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and give us a like. How many fingers can you count?
0. Raise one finger and say 1. Look, we raised one finger, which means 1. Raise 2 fingers and say 1, 2. We have 2 fingers raised, which means 2. Raise 3 fingers and say 1, 2, 3. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers raised. Raise 4 fingers and say 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 fingers, which means 4. Raise all fingers on your hand and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, all the fingers are raised. That means 5.
Whoa! How many fingers can you count?
Let's count on both our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6.
How many fingers can you count?
Let's count on both our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7. Let's continue counting on our fingers from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, my kids! Let's count together from 1 to 8. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're all champions. Amazing at counting. Come on, friends. Let's count on our fingers up to 9. Ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are all very smart. And now it's your time. You can count by yourselves from 1 to 10. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Encourage yourself. You are all amazing.
And that's the end of today's video. Thank you, friends, for watching and joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and leave us a comment with things you'd like to learn next time. See you soon in a new video. Goodbye.